What is good, YouTube? I know it has been almost 2 weeks of me being gone, and I've already had a bunch of comments saying, oh, GameStop is up almost 10%, he's gonna come back today. I was going to come back today whether GameStop and AMC were down or up. It just so happens to be that Ryan Cohen just posted a picture with Michael Saylor this weekend, and that is really what made GameStop go up 8-10%. And the reason I haven't posted in so long is because I was on a trip in San Antonio, just like, a couple weeks ago when I went to El Paso and I didn't post for a week. Well, I was on another business trip literally this past week. It's a sales trip. That's my job. That's my new job. I'm freaking in sales now. It's insane. I love it. And it's just an amazing opportunity. So I'm here to tell you guys I'm moving in April. I'm moving to California. I'm going to be up there for 4 months. Later this month, I'm going on another business trip. It's going to be endless. So I'm going to be traveling a lot. I'm not going to be able to post as consistently as I've been posting. I'm still going to be trying to get as much videos out as possible, especially on exciting days like this, when Ryan Cohen freaking makes his second post of 2025 with Michael Saylor. No words said. Absolutely insane. So let's just get into GameStop right now. It has really been a minute since I viewed this chart from my computer. Just been looking at it through my phone, and oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. Today there's only been 7 million shares traded, and we still have 2 more hours to go of trading. The price action is looking pretty insane. Right in the morning, we had a little bip all the way from $25.30 to $26.77 in the first hour of trading. And ever since then, it looks like GameStop has just made one giant bull flag today, and it's not going to end, anytime soon. Ryan Cohen hasn't even freaking said anything. Roaring Kitty hasn't even said anything. It only went up this high just because the CEO of MicroStrategy is with Ryan Cohen, doing who knows what the frick, but it's looking insane. So, GameStop has been in this descending channel for a very long time. Ever since $34.40, we've been going down, 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 and then we finally break out today. The RSI literally jumped from 30 all the way to 70 on the hourly chart. And on the daily chart, we have some crazy bullish RSI divergence. As you guys see here, the RSI was chilling at 43 when GameStop was chilling at $20.50. Boom, freaking couple months later, the RSI is now at 32, way lower than it was back here when it was at $20. The RSI was way lower, but the price was chilling at $24.70. I believe we bottomed out around $24.50, around that area. Hit a double bottom, and now we're freaking on our way back to the freaking moon. And it could get launched any second. Any second it could get launched. There's been no announcements, no nothing. Low volume. Could you imagine what the numbers would be if this volume was like times 10, like it was back in May? We would be past 50, 60, possibly 100. AMC, on the other hand, ever since $5.56 when they did the dilution, just been straight freaking down, slow and steady down. We hit a low of $2.95 a couple trading days ago, and then we retested that $3 level, bounced back up to $3.15. Not too much movement. The volume is extremely freaking low, but in my opinion, obviously none of this is financial advice. This is still a very good area to load the freaking boat for another squeeze. Guys, overall, we still have bullish RSI divergence. The RSI was chilling at around 40 when the price was chilling at $2.90. Now the RSI is literally, it hit a low of like 25 while the price was like at $3.50. So you guys see what I'm saying? The price is higher than it was back here, but the RSI is way lower. That's just freaking bullish as it is. Another stock that has been going absolutely crazy is BlackBerry, another meme stock, up almost 5% today, 21 million shares traded. It has just been going up and up and up every single day for the past like 6 days. It's been pretty insane. The RSI is way overbought, chilling at 82, and that doesn't mean it's gonna crash. That just means people are buying the frick out of this, making it go even higher. So this is what Ryan Cohen posted on February 7th, late at night, 11:32 p.m. 2 million people have seen this. And this is Michael Saylor, if you guys don't know. He is the CEO of MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is known for buying Bitcoin. Michael Saylor loves freaking Bitcoin. And as you guys see, back in November, when, Bitcoin was going crazy during the presidential election, MicroStrategy was also going crazy, and it really does look like just one giant bull flag has formed over the past couple of months for MicroStrategy. So you can only imagine what's going to happen if GameStop and MicroStrategy somehow collab, or freaking GameStop just announces, oh yeah, we put like $5 billion into freaking Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is gonna moon. GameStop is gonna freaking moon. And we're just gonna be on our way. We're just gonna be on our way to the freaking moon with these two guys right here. That's absolutely insane. Jackie Letitz had said, GameStop, why don't you touch it? Hey, isn't it cool? Told you guys to wait for the daily 200 test, and now here it is at the daily 200 with our puts up 70 to 100%. Just give it a little kiss. So Jackie did hedge his calls, bought some puts. Now it's freaking, it was down to 24, like 60 for a brief second. Then it popped back up to $25. Then Ryan Cohen comes out with that freaking crazy post. Now GameStop is chilling back near $27. And I believe it's back on its way towards $30, in my opinion. So the IV for GameStop calls was literally at a 52-week low. The last time that this happened, GameStop was chilling at $20. Now they're at 52-week lows again, and we're chilling at $24.50. So White Rabbit said, little GameStop update. IV is still very low on this 8% move up. Not saying this will happen, but it is still very cheap for calls. And if big buyers are interested, it wouldn't cost much to make much bigger moves higher. So the call options are still very cheap compared to what they were when GameStop was chilling here at around $30 for like 2 months. Calls are still very cheap. The RSI just went freaking insane. And yeah, the RSI literally touched. It was there chilling at 32 for a couple of days, and now it's back at 44 within 1 day, just because of Ryan Cohen's post. And if we go to Ryan Cohen's X account, he's only posted 2 times this whole year. He said China is building AI faster and cheaper than the US with government support, low cost, and massive data access. So he's talking about DeepSeek, obviously, AI, the new stuff. And then he just posts a picture with Michael Saylor. So there's 2 things Ryan Cohen has really mentioned or talked about or freaking made us think about, which is AI and Bitcoin. 2 very, very amazing things happening in 2025. And Ryan Cohen is on it. Ryan Cohen is freaking on it. So, I mean, Ryan Cohen is the CEO of GameStop. I really do feel like a huge transformation is coming to GameStop. It wasn't just the PSA cards. It's going to be much, much bigger than that with the billions of dollars in cash they have. It's going to be freaking insane. I'm telling you guys right now. And I believe GameStop will be trading over $100 by the end of this year in 2025. That is my opinion. This guy said GameStop chart says it all. So this is what we were looking at. GameStop was in this descending channel for a while, you know, a couple of weeks, almost like I believe more than a month, just going down, down, down. Ryan Cohen posts right when GameStop was testing the 200 MA. Boom, we get a little bit back to $27, almost a 10% day. Like I said, there's still 2 more hours in trading, so anything could happen. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. I really do apologize for not posting for 11 days. It's been 11 days. Didn't really say much. I did post on X that I was on a work trip. And like I said, in the near future, I'm going to be going on more business trips. I'm going to freaking Utah. I'm going to California. I'm going to Austin. I'm going to all these different places. And, you know, it's a dream come true for me. You know, I've always wanted to travel, and working for this company that I'm working for right now, the sales, it's giving me the opportunity to freaking travel to a lot of places, a lot of amazing places. So I'm going to take that opportunity. I still love GameStop, obviously. I still love AMC, and I'm still going to be making videos, just not as much, obviously, when I'm on business trips. Whenever I'm home, freaking, I'm going at it. We are going at it. It is going to be crazy. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with GameStop and AMC stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the tip.
Here we go. Come on.